Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. Welcome for my new setup. I am in my new home. If you're following me, I changed home, changed city, and all new. So now, first of all, I'm recording with my new phone. So I'm using the back camera to record this whole video. The quality of this camera is really high. Actually, it's higher from my Canon camera. So I decided to give it a try. If it's nice, so I can record another videos, like makeup videos on my vanity here, because I don't have a large space for my studio. I'm still figuring out. So yeah, I'm here recording with my phone, and as you can see, this is my mic. I'm recording the voice with because recording the voice directly from this phone is not that perfect. So I decided to use my mic to enhance the audio a little bit. I really hope it will be nice in the editing process because I still don't know. But this one or this video doesn't have like a lot of details about it, so it's kind of a two-in-one. It's a try new setup, a new camera on my phone, and a new makeup and a new mic on my phone, and in the same time showing you the process of doing my hair red, dyeing my hair red. I used to dye my hair red like years and years ago, like in 2016, 2017, when my hair was pretty long actually, and I dye in different kind of colors, and I had my experience with it, and then I went back to my natural hair for a couple of years, and then I decided from a couple of months to change my hair again to red. Actually, I wanted to make it like an kind of balayage kind of color. If you follow me, you know the story. But actually, it turns out like very, very bad. So I decided to go red again because I guess that's the color for me. Like the color was created for me, I guess. So. And I love red as well. So I decided to dye my hair red again, and now I'm like after a couple of months from my last dye, because I had this white hair was like my natural version brown hair. So I decided to refresh my color again and make it a little bit lighter because I didn't like the last color that much. I wanted to make it more red, so when I am at the sun, I'm really having a really nice red head because I love redhead girls. So I decided to change it, and I recorded the whole process for you guys so you can see what I'm doing, because I have my specific technique, like I'm mixing everything together, and I mix two different colors together. So you're gonna see in a minute, but I'm gonna show you very, very quickly. I love using the palette from Schwarzkopf. It's really nice, convenient, and nice for my hair, and in the same time I can use the L'Oreal one, but it's very expensive, and at the same time the red color in L'Oreal it's really good. Actually, I really love the color, but it's kind of a very rich dark burgundy. I really love the intensity of the color, but I don't want to do this now. I just wanted to go a little bit like kind of different kind of color, so I decided to mix these two colors together. That's the two colors I always mix like back in 2016. So this one is 688, okay, and this one is 965. I use using different colors, like blonde colors, but I saw this one I feel it's a little bit warmer. It's really warm and really nice, so I decided to give it a try with this one, and actually the color turns out really, really, really good. And after it bleeds like a couple of washes, it will be more lighter than this, so it will be perfect. Okay, and this is the color on the back, you can see. So I'm gonna mix these two together, and of course I did that, but I'm gonna show you that I'm gonna mix these two together in one bowl, mix it very, 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 very good until it just like you have this harmonious kind of color before applying to your hair. And I'm gonna leave it for about like 25 minutes. Like you can read the instructions on the packaging or inside, you can read it, but for me I will leave it for 25 minutes until I feel like it's completely like my hair took the color, and then I'm washing very, very, very nicely under warm water. Red hair care is completely different from any other care. I'm gonna talk on that if you want to on a different video, but actually I wash my hair very, very good in warm water, not too hot, not too cold, just warm water, and then I shampoo and condition my hair perfectly, and then I am here, as you can see, and this is the color. So I'm gonna leave you now to see the whole process. I guess I'm gonna speed it up. Still don't know. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit so it's not that tedious, and at the same time you see what I'm doing. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and I'm gonna see you at the end. Enjoy!
Must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven send. With me tonight, I run away. I run away. Run away. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
Sunlight, okay? A little bit of sunlight. I love it. Yeah.
So this is it. I really hope you liked this video and it was helpful and you saw me dyeing my hair. I dye my hair for years, I can say, and I know all about red hair, I guess. So if you want me to do another video how to keep your color, how to take care of your red hair color, I will be happily doing that for you, but let me know in the comment section down below to do this video for you. Otherwise, okay, this is the video. I don't want to like talk too much. I really hope the quality of the video is good and you enjoy doing this, like watching it. If you want to dye your hair red, go for it. It's really crazy color and it's really amazing. I love it. So this is it. I really hope you liked this video and it was helpful. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!